Back with another video, guys, on the Sith Lego set. You can build whichever one you want. I choose Dark Maul, which is cool. The next two videos I'll do either Dark Maul Kylo, but yeah, this is the Dark Maul Lego set. The Dark Maul Lego set with the Dark Maul, and that looks really dope and cool. Zoom in if you like. All the pieces are there looking really cool. Yeah, zooming out. But yeah, this thing is pretty dope and awesome, really cool. I really like this Lego set. You can choose to build whichever one. I choose Dark Maul for right now. And like I said, the next video I'm either gonna build Kylo or Dark Vader. And you also can collect 3 different sets and build the ultimate Dark Vader if you choose to. Yeah, no, this thing's pretty dope and cool. Zoom in now on all the parts now. And all the pieces, I mean. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool and awesome. This thing's pretty dope and cool. We like this Lego set that you can build whichever one you want. It's cool. This thing is pretty dope and cool. Really cool. Michelle, a comparison. Here it is next to Iron Man. I never reviewed Iron Man, Avengers, Iron Man, Lego Iron Man. Here's how they look together. Really nice. Yeah, this thing is like a piece of art right here. This thing is a piece of art right here. It's basically like a Lego piece of art. It's pretty a dope Lego set. You can build whichever one you want. I kind of like how Lego designed this thing. It's just a nice, like you zoom all the pieces are just like, it's just a picture itself. It's just such a nice set. It's just so cool. I mean, awesome. But yeah, though, that's a Lego set for you. Zoom out. Look at all the pieces that creates the thing. It's so awesome. But yeah, though. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, on the Sith Lego set review. On the Sith Lego set. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And come this way, guys. Here's bye. Thank you so much for watching. Come this way, guys. Here's bye.